Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to fix Raycon earbuds that are not charging quickly and easily. First, check the charging case and earbuds for dirt or debris. Dust or lint on the charging contacts can prevent proper charging. Clean both the earbuds and the case gently with a soft, dry cloth. Next, make sure the charging cable is properly connected to a working power source. Try a different cable or adapter if needed, as a faulty charger can stop the earbuds from charging. Check the battery level of the case itself. If the case is low or completely drained, it won't charge the earbuds. Fully charge the case first, then place the earbuds inside. Reset the earbuds if they still don't charge. Place them in the case. Press and hold the buttons on both earbuds for 10 to 15 seconds until the LED lights blink, then try charging again. Finally, ensure the earbuds are properly seated in the case. Misaligned earbuds may not make contact with the charging pins. By following these steps, you can fix Raycon earbuds that aren't charging and get them powered up again. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.